It's embarrassing. It's a disgrace. That's what it is, a disgrace.
Same question that I asked.
It's time to go!
I mean, David De Gea could save the fucking Titanic. For fuck's sake, man. It was like...
That is unbelievable. That is a bad one.
Yeah, you've gone over there and you won a few trophies. Well, what your legacy is going to be is that you are a Judas. Judas! Judas!
Oh, he's done it again, that Harry Kane, that fucking dirty little... He's done it again! He's done it again! That is a fact! You fucking little bastard!